Hi, how many of you have dreamed of starting or launching your own startup? You have been thinking from days, months, and years together, right? You have so many ideas, right? Hundreds and thousands of ideas. And you have a lot of information available as well. What happens is we get overwhelmed with so many ideas and information which is available. And in the process, we never start. So I have three secrets for you to start. First is take a notebook, a pen, and start making a list of all the ideas what you have or what you thought would be successful. Once you make all the list, maybe it will be 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. So just start making the list of all these ideas. From those hundreds of ideas what you have, pick top 10 ideas. Once you pick top 10 ideas, make it top 5 ideas. Once you have top 5 ideas, pick one idea, just one. Once you pick one idea, what you need to do is the next step is doing a research about that idea. Now you might think, so what kind of research do I need to do? One is first Google up and maybe you can check from various sources whether similar idea is already being used by someone else. Are they successful? If they are not successful or if they are successful, what is that gap identification you can do? That means how can you improvise that idea and launch it in a next level kind of thing. So research plays an important role. If you think the such idea is not there, then it's great. So that means you have a lot of opportunity to market. Third secret is start working on that idea. Now when I say start working on that idea is not just float a company, make a product. No, I'm just saying first you make a small prototype. If it is a tech company, develop a small applications which could which you can showcase to your customers. When you say customers, or it can be people who want to buy. So second thing is if you are non-tech or if you are service oriented, then I create one prototype or a model what this business is all about, what this service you are offering. Create one presentation and then meet your future clients. Once you start meeting the clients and speaking about your idea, then you will get to know whether this idea would work or not. Are there people to buy your idea or solution what you are providing? Second, you will also get to know whether this business what you are starting, that new startup, is it scalable, is it profitable. So these three secrets is first pick one idea, second research your idea whether it can be workable, whether it can be scalable, profitable. Is this idea really make difference in the world, in the community, or in the businesses what you are offering? Third is starting your venture. So don't get into company registration and all those at this point of time. Just build a prototype, go to market, see what people reaction is, whether people are ready to buy your product or service. If yes, people are showing positive results, are giving positive feedback about your idea and solutions, and then you can scale it up in forming into a company and doing a formal business. So that means what you are going to launch your startups in just few weeks. So if you like the process what I've said to you, comment below. And if you want to be part of my VIP group, send me a personal message and I will add you to my VIP group where I'll be sharing lot of golden nuggets which could help you in terms of starting your own business. Thank you. Have a great day.